Okay, we are at an antique store that is going out of business. It was listed in estatesales.net. It is over in Yulee. So we're going to see, I think this is the last month that they are open. And it is, I don't know, like the 26th or 27th, something like that. So clearancing out everything. Hi, Sue. The chair?
Yeah.
It's the bunny chair for sure.
A bunny chair.
I love these big canisters. In the pictures there were a lot of good stuff, but it's always hard to say what's left. Rich collection of vintage bottles. And so this one does have a price of $39 on it. It's rusty on the outside. It actually looks pretty clean on the inside. Table lamps. Now I like these two baskets. They're listed at $18 each. We've got to find some information on what's actually available for sale. So, okay, I just asked, and things are prices marked, but they are negotiable. So I don't know how willing they're coming down on things. But I guess if I see something that I really feel like I want, I'll ask. Funny little frog. It's a longer burger. Rusty, crusty tools. Jewelry. Looks like it was a great antique store. Just far for us. Prices, probably be hard to find. And then, of course, the things that I like don't ever seem to have price tags. It says 34. Very difficult to get my eyes to settle in places to figure out what's what. If it ever was properly merchandised, it's hard to see now. 38 for this copper. Cat. Whoa. Did not know that came off. Okay, put it down, Melissa. Oh, in a china shop. That's always me. These are interesting. Maybe not for $300. I'll tell you, it does seem like it was the rusty, crusty capital. Places to go find a good rusty, crusty around here. I like that pan back there. This copper pan. Again, not priced. It does get annoying. Might have something to do with why it's not doing well. We have one of these shoes. A couple more will make a cute coat rack.
They tell me 15 on this chicken.
Anything interesting about him?
No, other than it's...
Yeah, he's a cute chicken.
Yeah.
That's what they said though, 15.
Yeah, so their pricing is really just whatever comes out of their head.
Yeah, I mean, maybe if we make a bundle of stuff. I found 3 more of these, and we have
sweet.
one, and so we could make a coat rack out of it.
Yes, we can.
And that would be cute. They're listed at 12 each, which obviously can't make a coat rack out of that because that.
Well, let's start putting
So
things
let's maybe
in
make a pile and see what we can do.
We got buckets.
Oh, that is a lot of yellow glass. A lot of yellow glass.
Okay.
And of course, I'm attracted to the kitty cats. Because I love kitty cats. Looks like the flowers are intact. The tail's intact. Oh, there's, oh, $3 for sure. That one's going home with me. There are a couple other cute pieces. This looks really nice. Let me sit this down for a minute and try to go through these. Looks like that is part of something else, for sure. Okay, so these are definitely tiebacks. That's probably what that other one is as well. Let's see if we can locate a price on any of these. Right, I don't see a price on any of those. I like this little mirror. They say 30. The goal is going to be to try to get it at least half off, I think. So this must also be a tieback, which is the first one I picked up. The swan. It's pretty adorable. Definitely vintage looking. And again, it looks unpriced. I like the chair that it's on too. I don't find I sell the chairs very well, but boy do I like them in my house. I've already had to tell Sue no. No, no, no. Oh my gosh, look at all the milk glass. It's like milk glass for days and days. The swan tureen is great. Y'all know I love tureens. This swan is pretty cool. And for a price, of course. Let's see one inside. Afraid that's gonna, I don't know, that's pretty great. These, whoa. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Wow, that's a lot of china to have on a very rickety table.
That's not good.
I was looking at these candelabras and this table with all this china.
That is crazy.
It's
right
very
here.
crazy. I know that's the one I was looking at. I'm
Yeah.
like, that's pretty awesome.
Yeah, that's
I
different.
mean, that looks like Victorian probably. It's beautiful. Okay, I feel a little overwhelmed. There's so much to look at. I did get those lamps and the swan. I put those in our box. There's so much to look at. Those are neat. Up there, the bottles turn into lamps. The holes cut out so you can fill them. I guess it just keeps going back. Old books, Bibles. Might have to go through some of these. This shelf and the contents on it. Yeah. Did you see these back here on this little shelf? Because these scream you.
Yeah, I've been looking at them. I think they're all pewter. Well, they say silver plate on them. I mean, that's nice and heavy. And it's got detail in there. Ooh. Well, if I add them to the basket, is that all right?
We can see what they say. We could always say no.
All right.
There are some lovely frames. All kinds of stuff to look at back here.
Where? Oh, maybe that's it. Excuse me.
Sue has found a beautiful bird cage.
Oh my God, it's fabulous. It's fabulous.
I would go put that in our stash.
All right.
I did hear him say the more you buy, the less everything is. Now, I don't care for the art at all, but look at that frame. So pretty. I need more money. There are 4 of these chairs. Look how high the backs go. That's spectacular. Sue and I were so excited about our finds at the estate sale,
and how little it ended up costing us, because at first we thought it was going to be very expensive. Only ended up spending about $300. Are really excited though about what we found. It was a lot of fun. There was another weekend where they were selling items, but we couldn't get to it. So unfortunately we missed that. They have until I think the end of this month, so there probably won't be any additional opportunities. But we hope that you enjoyed the video, and be sure to stay tuned for an upcoming DIY. See you guys soon.